We begin our journey in a realm of frozen stillness, a world sculpted by eons of cold. Here, the sun, a distant brilliant jewel, casts its rays across a landscape of immense ice ridges. Each crest and valley tells a story of pressure and time, a slow geological ballet, frozen in a single breathtaking moment. The light catches the crystalline surfaces, creating a dazzling display of sun flares that dance and shimmer with the drone's gentle glide. This is a place of profound silence, where the only sound is the whisper of the wind across the ice. The sheer scale is humbling, a reminder of nature's raw, untamed power. The parallax effect, as we drift, reveals the deep, blue-green heart of the ancient ice, layers upon layers of compressed snow, each holding a secret of the Earth's past. It's a vista of stark, minimalist beauty, a canvas of white and blue under a vast, indifferent sky. From the stark cold, we transition to a scene of quiet mystery. Ancient stone formations, like silent sentinels, rise from the earth, their rugged shapes softened by layers of ethereal fog. A warm, gentle rim light traces their edges, a delicate touch of gold against the cool, grey stone. This light seems to breathe life into the rock, highlighting textures and contours that have been weathered by millennia of wind and rain. The fog drifts in soft, slow waves, partially obscuring and then revealing the scene, creating a sense of depth and a dreamlike quality. It's a landscape that invites contemplation, a place where time seems to slow down, and the boundary between the real and the imagined becomes blurred. The telephoto lens compresses the scene, stacking the layers of fog and stone into a composition that feels both intimate and grand, a secret corner of the world revealed in a moment of perfect, tranquil light. Now our perspective shifts, looking down from above upon the surface of the water. It is a liquid mirror reflecting the sky, but its story is written in movement. Specular ripples like scattered diamonds glitter across the expanse, each one a tiny explosion of light. A boat, unseen, has recently passed, leaving behind a graceful wake that carves a perfect S-curve through the water. This ephemeral line is a testament to a journey, a brief signature on the vast blue canvas. The high-angle drift gives us a god's-eye view, allowing us to appreciate the elegant geometry of the disturbance, the interplay of light, water and motion. It's a moment of dynamic calm, where the evidence of energy creates a pattern of serene beauty. The ripples and the wake tell a story of passage, a fleeting moment captured in a dance of light and shadow on the water's skin. We descend to the Earth's surface, skimming low across a sun-baked landscape. The late-day sun stretches long, dark shadows from every pebble and plant, painting the ground in dramatic strokes of light and dark. The air itself seems to vibrate with warmth, a visible heat shimmer, distorting the distant horizon, making the world beyond appear fluid and uncertain, like a mirage. This is a land of intense heat and stark beauty, where life adapts to the relentless sun. The low, skimming motion immerses us in this environment, making us feel the texture of the ground and the oppressive weight of the heat. The long shadows create a sense of impending twilight, a transition from the harshness of the day to the cool relief of the coming night. It is a landscape that feels alive, not with overt movement, but with the palpable energy of the sun radiating from the earth. Our view ascends, craning up to reveal a masterpiece of human ingenuity and natural harmony. Layered, terraced fields cascade down a hillside, each level a shallow pool of water that perfectly mirrors the vast open sky. The world is turned upside down, in these liquid panes, with clouds drifting across the flooded earth. Against this luminous backdrop, the silhouettes of farmers move with a timeless grace, their figures dark against the bright reflection. They are custodians of this land, their presence a testament to a partnership with nature that has endured for generations. The crane's upward movement slowly reveals the full scale and complexity of this incredible landscape, a staircase for giants climbing towards the heavens. The scene is a symphony of colour and form, the green of the earth, the blue of the reflected sky, and the stark, beautiful shapes of the people who tend it. We are drawn into a scene of delicate, fleeting beauty. A Steadicam glides smoothly along the edge of a body of water, its surface a canvas for a gentle shower of falling petals. Each petal, a soft splash of pink or white, drifts down from unseen branches, landing softly on the water and floating away on the gentle current. The scene is bathed in a soft backlight, which transforms the background into a dreamy tapestry of bokeh, glowing out-of-focus orbs of light that add a magical, ethereal quality. This is a moment of pure poetry, a celebration of the transient beauty of spring. The smooth, flowing movement of the camera mirrors the drift of the petals and the gentle flow of the water, creating a hypnotic and deeply peaceful experience. It's a reminder to cherish the small, perfect moments that nature offers, a visual haiku written in light, water and blossoms. In the quiet hush of early morning, we find a moment of perfect equilibrium. A calm lake, its surface as smooth and flawless as polished glass, creates a perfect mirror image of the world above. The sky, the distant trees, and the soft morning haze are all duplicated with crystalline clarity, creating a scene of breathtaking symmetry. The line between reality and reflection dissolves, and the world becomes a sphere of tranquil beauty. A few birds skim low across the water, their flight a delicate brushstroke across this perfect composition, their reflections trailing just beneath them. The morning haze softens the edges of the world, lending a mystical, dreamlike atmosphere to the scene. It is a moment of profound peace, where the world seems to hold its breath. This perfect symmetry speaks to a deep sense of balance and harmony in the natural world, a fleeting instant of absolute stillness and order. We soar high above an ancient landscape, a kingdom of faith and history. A high drone tracks over the spires of countless pagodas, their weathered forms dotting the plains as far as the eye can see. The entire scene is bathed in a warm amber palette, the light of a rising or setting sun that infuses the air with a golden glow. Drifting slowly through this timeless vista are hot air balloons, modern vessels on an ancient sea of air. Their silent, majestic passage adds a sense of wonder and scale to the scene. From this vantage point, we can appreciate the sheer number and artistry of the temples below, a testament to centuries of devotion. The warm light softens the landscape, creating a feeling of nostalgia and reverence. It's a journey through time, a flight over a sacred place where the past feels ever-present, and the sky is filled with silent, graceful wanderers. Our journey now takes us inward, into the hidden heart of the earth. A slow, immersive glide carries us through a narrow corridor of towering karst formations. The limestone walls, sculpted by water over millennia, press in close, creating a sense of intimacy and discovery. The path ahead is a winding passage of shadow and light, leading us deeper into this natural cathedral. And then the corridor opens up, revealing a secret sanctuary, a hidden pool of the most brilliant turquoise water. The sunlight, filtering down from an opening high above, pierces the clear water, creating a mesmerizing dance of caustics on the pool's floor, a shifting, shimmering web of light. This is a place of pristine, untouched beauty, a reward for the journey through the narrow passage. The vibrant color of the water feels almost supernatural, a jewel hidden away from the outside world, its surface alive with the play of light. We push forward into a forest, not of trees, but of stone. Layered pillars of rock rise around us, their surfaces telling a story of geological time. The air is thick with the soft atmospheric haze, and through it, magnificent shafts of volumetric light pierce the gloom. These God rays illuminate the dust motes dancing in the air, making the light itself seem tangible, a solid presence in the space. As we move deeper, the pillars create a complex maze of foreground and background elements, a layered composition that draws us into its depths. The light shafts act as spotlights, highlighting the texture of the stone and creating pockets of warmth and mystery in the cool shadows. It feels like exploring a sacred, forgotten temple, a place of immense power and quiet dignity. The slow push-in enhances the sense of reverence and discovery, as if we are cautiously entering a space of great significance. From the quiet of nature, we plunge into the vibrant, pulsating energy of a city in the rain. From a high angle, we look down upon a street transformed by a downpour. The pavement, slick and black, becomes a dark mirror, reflecting the dazzling neon signs of the city. A river of people flows along the sidewalks, each person a bubble of colour under a bright umbrella. The scene is time-ramped. Motion blurs and stretches, transforming the chaotic hustle into a graceful, fluid dance. The umbrellas become like lily pads, floating on a current of humanity. The neon reflections bleed and shimmer on the wet ground, painting the night with strokes of electric blue, vibrant pink, and fiery red. It's a vision of the city not as a concrete jungle, but as a living, breathing organism, its lifeblood the flow of people and light. The rain, often seen as a nuisance, here becomes an artist, transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. We pull back and back and back, and the scale of the world is revealed in a moment of awe. What begins as a view of a single tiny car, a solitary traveller on a winding road, expands into a breathtaking panorama. The aerial pullback reveals the sheer vastness of the landscape that surrounds it. The car becomes a mere speck, its journey dwarfed by the immense plains, towering mountains, and endless sky. Above, colossal clouds drift lazily, their moving shadows sweeping across the land like giant, slow-motion brushstrokes, painting the earth in shifting patterns of light and shade. This dramatic shift in perspective is a powerful reminder of our small place in the vastness of the world. It evokes a feeling of both solitude and freedom, the thrill of being an explorer in a world of epic proportions. The journey of the tiny car becomes a metaphor for our own, a small path through an immense and beautiful reality. We submerge into another world, a silent blue dimension of incredible clarity. The water is so pure that it feels as if we are floating in air. Sun rays pierce the surface from above, creating ethereal beams of light that penetrate deep into the blue, illuminating the space like the vaulted ceiling of a cathedral. Within this tranquil realm, a school of fish moves as one. Thousands of silver bodies flash and turn in perfect synchronized harmony, a shimmering fluid cloud of life. The ultra-clean optics of the camera capture every detail, the glint of a scale, the gentle sway of a fin, the serene expression of this underwater ballet. It is a world of peace and effortless grace, governed by currents and instincts. The silence is profound, broken only by the imagined sound of water rushing past. This is a glimpse into a hidden kingdom, a vibrant, thriving community that exists just beneath the surface of our own world. Our perspective returns to solid ground, but our gaze is fixed on the heavens. A slow, ground-level slider moves us past the rough, textured surfaces of foreground rocks, their ancient, weathered forms grounding us in the immediate, tactile world. But beyond them, a magnificent transformation is taking place. The sky, once a cool, deep blue, is slowly warming, blushing with the first light of dawn or the last light of dusk. Hues of lavender and rose begin to bleed into the blue, which then gives way to a soft, gentle peach and a fiery orange at the horizon. We are witnessing the daily miracle of transition, the moment the sky catches fire. The contrast between the dark, solid and permanent rock in the foreground and the soft, ephemeral and ever-changing sky above creates a powerful and moving composition. It's a moment of quiet hope and profound beauty, a reminder that every day begins and ends with the spectacle of colour.